Sorry folks, I was listening to Pearl Jam's Go the other day while I was relearning it for a live show with the tribute band, and I realised that I've been playing the chorus to it wrong all these years. So in order to restore balance to the universe, I'm going to redo the lesson very, very quickly. We're looking at Stone's parts, so you're in open D. So we have D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. So it should be an open D chord, okay? Tone-wise, I'm using the funny little Boxes 91. So for completeness, let's look at the intro and the verse very quickly. You're going to do this for the intro. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then this for the verse. Or, you know, without the hammer on, okay? So there's a couple of things going on there. First of all, these are octaves. Because they're both A strings. And then you've got the open third and fourth strings, okay? And you're going to play 2, 3, 4, 1. And then the rest of the band comes in. You only play that once, okay? The first riff is then. That's one way to play it. Or without the hammer on. You could do that, okay? So either of those. It's played differently all the way through, to be honest. It's not exact every single time. But that brings us to the chorus part, okay? The chorus I always thought was this. But check out the isolated guitar part. So it's actually played like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. So with the distortion, 3, 4, 1. Cool, isn't it? So slowly, 3, 4, 1. Then Stone plays up here. So you're going to flatten your first finger on the 12th fret there, and you come in on the second beat. So it's 2, 3, 4, 1. Little hammer on. And then the last two bars are. Back into the verse riff. Chorus again, 4 times this time. 3, 4, 1. Four of those. Another chorus. It repeats that last phrase twice, and then the third time it plays. And then you're into the outro. You basically go back to the main riff. 15 times round, then you end with. So 16th notes on the 12th fret, basically. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.